Identify friends, influencers in your circle that are already on that PR list. And then start collaborating with them. You already know that a brand is looking at them. So why not ride their curtail a little bit? Not in a creepy user type of way, but like that's your friend. Y'all can ride the wave together, you know, make it a package deal. What are friends for? What is up, guys? It is Onye, back again with another video. In this video, I'm sharing tips to help you get on a brand's PR list, even if you don't have that many followers. That is right. These tips are going to get you there. All right, let's get to it. Tip number 1, no cold calling. What do I mean by that? Okay, we all mutually hate telemarketers, right? Nobody likes getting cold calls from a telemarketer trying to sell you something. I look at like pitch emails and collaborations in much the same way. Don't just start reaching out to random brands, never use their products, you've never communicated with them, none of the above. You're literally a telemarketer. Yeah, there are instances where that strategy works, just like telemarketers get lucky. I'm sure that's why they keep trying. But I think it's more effective if you have established a relationship with the brand before reaching out to them to ask them to add you to their PR list, right? It makes sense. And I don't mean like taking them out to dinner, because who has time and or money for that? Nobody. It can be as simple as investing in their product and posting about it, tagging them, the end. That is a way to kind of like stick your little toe into the door of that brand's house or company, you know, instead of just reaching out, hey, I've never posted about you. I never use your product actually, but send me free stuff. That is less effective than, hey, I love your product. I actually posted about it here and here. Would love to be on your PR list because my audience really loves your products. Boom. Which one do you think is going to get a better response? You be the judge. Try it out. Let me know how it goes for you. Tip number 2, reach out. Reach out. This one seems kind of self-explanatory, but I can't tell you how many people are sitting back on their couch waiting for a brand to reach out to them. How's that working for you? There are millions of users on Instagram, so the odds of a brand like finding you are low, they're slim, you know? So do what you need to do to get their attention. You need to pitch yourself. I actually did a video telling you all the components that should go into that pitch email and start sending it out. I love your products. Send me some more. But the moral of the story is that a closed mouth does not get fed. So start talking. Tip number 3, target brands in your niche. I'll use myself as an example. I talk a lot about beauty products, hair, skin, makeup, photography, camera, software, things like that. While I could reach out to like a card company, NASA, I don't know. Those brands are just not in alignment with what my brand is and what I've talked about up until this point. And so me reaching out to NASA, I don't know where that example came from, but me reaching out to NASA, I probably won't have as much success that I would if I were to reach out to like MAC Cosmetics or Canon USA, right? So make sure that you create a list of brands that actually align with who you are as a brand, an influencer, content creator, whatever you call yourself, because I think you'll have better luck reaching out to that list. You can create a second list with brands that aren't quite in alignment with your niche, but that you just really want to work with. It couldn't hurt to reach out. Again, closed mouth doesn't get fed. But that list of brands that are really, really, really close to your niche, I think you're going to have the most success with. Now, I talked earlier about building relationships with brands. Another part of that is actually engaging with their content. The social media and PR team of these brands, they're constantly on these social media platforms. They're looking. And so if you're engaging with their content, you're commenting, you're liking, you're creating posts using their products, you may be even sending them DMs like, hey, I love this product. That is a short shot way to get your name in front of those brands. They're going to remember you. Like, oh, that's the girl that's always liking our posts. Oh, that's the girl that slid in our DMs and gave us this helpful article. Like, give them multiple touch points so they remember you when it comes down to putting their PR list together, updating it, and sending out these PR packages. Next tip, put together a media kit that really sells you. All right. Oftentimes I hear people say, well, I only have 2,000 followers, or this is so bad, and blah, 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 blah. Okay. There has to be something about you that you can highlight. You know, is your content of high quality? Are you getting stellar engagement? Are you consistent? Do you have a blog that's popping off? Something. There's got to be something about you that you can highlight in your media kit. Make sure to put that in there, right? Because if your media kit is like blah, you know what I mean? Like, who's gonna want to look at it, let alone add you to their PR list? I'm gonna tell you, nobody. If your followers aren't that high, maybe you don't break down your follower count by social media platforms. You can say, my social platform is add up your entire following for YouTube, Instagram, blog, Twitter, blah, 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 and put that number there. One way to kind of tweak the numbers in your favor. Another tip for getting on a brand's PR list: identify friends, influencers in your circle that are already on that PR list. Wait, there's more. And then start collaborating with them. Maybe go to events with them, collaborate on YouTube content, Instagram content. You already know that a brand is looking at them. So why not ride their curtail a little bit? Not in a creepy user type of way, but like, that's your friend. I can ride the wave together, you know, make it a package deal. You want her, you got me too. You want me, you got her too. Like that type of deal. What are friends for? And that is it. Super quick video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell so you get notified whenever I have a new video. And until next time, toodaloo.